Hello everyone, Ken Salvell here today, just giving you a couple quick gardening tips. And number one thing to remember about plants, if you love growing plants, you got to know this tip. And the tip is that you need to remember one very important thing, and that important thing is that the roots breathe oxygen. The entire plant uses some oxygen, it also uses carbon dioxide, but the roots, they pretty much only use oxygen. So if you can imagine, if you have a plant planted in the ground and then you flood it with water and the water fills up the hole, roots are submerged in the water, they're not going to breathe. If they can't breathe, then they're not going to be able to respirate. They're not going to be able to use the carbohydrates that are inside the roots. You need to have the oxygen there for oxidation of those carbohydrates. And so no oxygen, no life. So really important, whether you're growing plants in pots or whether they're in the ground, either way, don't leave your plants sitting in water unless they're actually a water-tight plant. So the vast majority of plants prefer to have good drainage where when you water the plant, it moistens the soil, the water trickles through the soil, runs out the bottom, and then either runs away or any excess water goes away. When the water goes through, it pulls fresh oxygen in behind it, so it replenishes the earth with oxygen. So really important, when you water, water well, but allow the water to drain away. Don't leave it sitting in the water. So that's it for today. Remember to check growercoach.com and some of our other videos on YouTube. Thanks again for tuning in.